Hello to everyone. So in this video, we are going to practice performing authentication using Firebase. Now, what we mean by authentication is to enable users to log into the application just by entering their email address and a password, or by entering their phone number and a password. So in this way, you can give your users customized information. So as you know, the number of applications logged in this way is huge now, and this is a great way for personal information to be protected because you do want to protect your users after all. Now, if different people want to log into the same application from the same device, anyone can access their own information by logging in with their own email address and password. For example, when users log into an application with their email address and password, then everyone can see each other's emails within the same application. So in the meantime, users can access their data from anywhere thanks to server-based applications such as Firebase. The user can log into the application from any device with his or her own email and password and view their mail or messages. However, if your application is not server-based, users can only access its data from their device. So for this reason, developing applications with Firebase will provide us greater advantages. I'll give you another example. In let's say a book reading program, the user can continue from each of their devices thanks to this authentication. And again, you can do the authentication process in many ways just by using Firebase. In other words, you can perform not only authentications with email and password, but also authentications by sending a code to the phone number, or authentication through applications such as Google, Facebook, and Twitter, etc. Now, in fact, you can do these operations not only with Firebase, but also through other servers. However, Firebase will allow you to perform these operations just by writing a few lines of code in Android Studio without having to deal with the server side. So for that reason, Firebase especially facilitates the work of mobile developers. So in this chapter, we're going to learn how to authenticate just by entering the email address and the password using Firebase and send a single-use message to the phone number in order to authenticate. So first, we're going to start with the login process using email and password.